Hello students. Today we're going over organelle review in comparison to body systems. However, now we're going to connect what we have learned about our organelles to our body systems. Some of the definitions of the functions of the organelles are going to change in order to make them fit the body systems, and you're going to see this in just a few minutes. So I would like you to title your journal, Connecting the Organelle Function to the Body System. So again, once we started this lesson, I told you we're going to review what we already learned about the organelles. Now we're going to add a little bit more knowledge about your organelles so that you can compare them to the body system. Let's begin first with the cell membrane. We know that the cell membrane lets things in and out, but another function that it does, it protects everything that's inside the cell. And here's the change of the word, protects. And it's going to be compared to our skin, which is part of the integumentary system. So here's the connection. The cell membrane is like our integumentary system because it protects. The cell wall definition will remain the same. Notice the cell wall is an organelle only found in plants. The cell wall provides support and structure for the plants, just like our skeletal system provides support, structure and support for our body. The next one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the gel that's inside our cells. And cytoplasm it has a little different definition. It has transports instead of suspends and protects. And that's because these organelles can move around in the cytoplasm, just like the way nutrients, oxygen, and waste can get transported in our circulatory system. So cytoplasm, the function is going to be changed to transports, and we're going to compare it to the circulatory system. I noticed that I left one out here, but thank God this is an easy one, and this is the nucleus. The nucleus controls, just like the way the nervous system controls the body. So the nucleus controls everything inside the cell, just like the way the brain controls everything inside the body. And this is the nervous system. Vacuole. We learned that the vacuole stores water, food, and waste. I want you to focus on that it stores waste so that we can compare it to the excretory system, which also holds waste until it's removed from the body. And if you remember, we're talking about the excretory system. The bladder holds the urine before it exits the body. Next is the mitochondria, and it still produces energy just the way we learned. However, you need to make the connection that digestion, when we digest food, it is also producing energy for your body. So that's how we're going to compare the mitochondria to the digestive system. And the last one is chloroplasts. Just like chloroplasts inside the cell respire carbon dioxide, the waste that all our cells have, our respiratory system also removes that waste of carbon dioxide. So chloroplasts are compared to our respiratory system. Okay, if you need to review this video one more time, play it again. On the next slide, you're going to break these down and you're going to write these down in your journal. And then I would like you to share at least 3 of the ones that you wrote as a post on this slide. This concludes our lesson on connecting the organelle functions to the body systems.